Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the November bargain bead box. And as usual, while I do my intro, I like to have something down here for you to look at before, I get started. So these are just some new items I've been working on. I'm totally obsessed with making these and these right now. I think I'm going to actually do a video on this. Actually, I'm not even sure what it's called. I think that the stitch though is like right angle weave. They also call it raw or claw. But I don't care what they call it. If I like it, I just make it. And these are actually, right now I'm kind of new at making these, so it is a little time consuming. And I guess in about an hour or so you can get one of these done. It's a little tricky at the beginning. And then these, these are so cute. These are 4 mils, by the way, 4 mil bicones. And these are 6 mil bicones. They almost look like 8 mil to me, but they are 6 mil, okay? And I believe these are just, glass beads. They're not crystal, but these are so, I just wanted to hurry up and show you this. They're so cute to make. These, you can make these in like 15 minutes, maybe less. They're so quick and easy to make. I will do a video on it, and then all you do is just pop a chain on it. There's a, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on here, but you just put a little chain right in through there, and you have a little necklace, and it's really pretty on. It's something quick. They make great stocking stuffers. Really cute to make something quick, and looks pretty impressive, I think, for only taking 15 to 20 minutes of your time. I'm also going to do a video on those coming up. And then of course I've been working on another Russian spiral. Wow, look at that. Look at that sparkle, my goodness. And this is all Swarovski crystal beads that I'm using on here. That's why it sparkles like that. So I just want to see. This is focusing in. It's probably too much of a glare from the beads, because I have a monitor like right in the back of the camera here. So this is what I'm working on. You can see it's not done yet. But let's go ahead and get started with the bargain bead box. November 2021. It's here already. So basically, the bargain bead box is a monthly subscription. It is $17.95 a month for free shipping. Great value for what you get. It honestly is. You get great findings, crystal beads, gemstones, and it's always, a different surprise theme every month. And most months, according to the holiday, whatever's coming up. As you can see, what's coming up will be, the colors of fall coming up. And it's just a really great, unbeatable value. So bargain bead box for November 2021, and I'm just reading from the paper here, is the theme is Harvest End. So the harvest season draws to a close and the holidays approach. Our final ode to fall blends festive reds and greens with tiger eyes, rich golden chatoyance, including a stunning 40 mil oval cab wire wrapped and an intricate tree of life motif. Sparkling crystals, earthy gemstones, and bright rose gold findings complete this cozy palette. Okay, and then subscribers, the bargain bead box subscribers, are sent every month a 30% off code to use at their sister store, the beadboxbargains.com. So when you sign up, you'll be getting that. And you can also, whatever you make from that particular month, you can enter it into their contest and win a $50 gift certificate to the Bead Box Bargains. And I think that's it for the intro. So get my paper out here. There are 19 components to this month's box, and let's get started. I'm gonna get this out of the way. So pretty. I'm gonna get this out of the way, and we'll get started here. I feel like I'm forgetting to say something. Yeah, it comes in the pretty yellow organza bag for November 2021. Okay, and we're gonna get started. Number one is a 12-inch strand, 4 mil, gently faceted round glass beads in light peridot. Just want to make sure I'm close. Just want to get in closer this time, because every time I watch it back, it just seems like I'm not in close enough or something. So there you go. These are pretty. This is more of a round faceted stone. Okay, number two. Two is a 4-piece 28 mil red pressed glass leaf drops in red ombre gold shimmer. And these are going to be pretty. Yeah, that matches my polish again. So these are pretty. Perfect for fall. Has a little bit of a gold shimmer on them. See if I can get a little closer for you. You can see the carved detail on there. Look how pretty that is. It's really pretty. And yeah, for a second there I didn't see the pre-drilled hole and I see it now. There we go. Okay, number three. Number three is 4 sets 20 by 26 mil bamboo style taco clasp. There you go, in a rose tone color. It's pretty. Okay, so we got those. And number four, 4-piece 38 mil leafy branch drop links. These are pretty. We kind of have that etched detail in there. So they're really pretty. That's a nice size. Let's see, got my handy dandy ruler here. Where did it go? Where did it go? Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm out of frame again. There we go. So that's a good size. A little over, well, 1.5 inches maybe. Yep. Was that number 4? Number 5. Number 5 is a 4-piece 22 by 18 mil cutout leaf charm. Let's see what these look like. There you go. These are pretty. They look like antiques from another country or something. That's what they remind me of. I hope I'm not. Zoom out a little bit. That's what it reminds me of. So it has a cutout little leaf inside there. Really cute. Okay, and number 6. Number 6 is a 14-inch strand, 4x3 mil crystal rondelle beads in frosted garnet shimmer. There you go. Really pretty. And it's a matte bead. It's really pretty. Love that color. Okay. And 7. 7 is 5-piece 10 mil crystal fancy barrel beads in pale topaz. These are pretty. Look at that. Love these. Look how they sparkle. I don't think I have anything with this shape. See if I can zoom in a little for you. It's kind of pretty. And they're faceted cut. Not sure if you can see that. Well, yeah, you can see that. Wow. Very nice. This is going to make whatever you make with this box this month. It's going to make it look really high end with these on there. Love those. It's got some weight to it also. Very pretty. Okay, number 8. And 8 I'm not going to open up. There you go. 8 is a 10-piece. Where's the 10-piece? I lost it. 10-piece brass eye pins with heavy electroplating, it says. So I'm not going to open that up. We all know what they look like. And number 9. 1 mil 4x3 mil steel oval jewelry chain in a rose gold finish. There you go. This is really pretty. Come on, focus. Yeah. This is really pretty. Has nice big holes in there, as you can see, in case we want to attach something in there. Very nice. Very pretty. 10 is a 90-piece strand 4 mil crystal bicone beads. And of course I love bicones. So there you go. Very pretty. Very pretty and shiny. So these are the 4 mil crystal bicone beads in Wheat AB. And AB is for the Aurora Borealis finish, which always makes them prettier. Okay. 11. 11 is a 50-piece 4 mil is a daisy spacer beads. And of course they're cute and they are very tiny. So there we go with that. 12 is a 10-piece strand 12 by 8 mil matte textured red agate oval beads. And this will add a little more color to our project. There you go. Has that finish on there, which gives it a cracked age look. And these are really pretty. Very pretty. 13. Okay, 13 is a 15-inch strand 8 mil natural tiger eye semi-round beads. There we go. Wow, look at that. Pretty, pretty. These are nice. Pretty color with that. So very nice. There we go. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And that's nice and heavy. 14 is a 7.5-inch strand 8 by 6 mil crystal rondelle beads in lemon chiffon shimmer. There we go. Ooh, more shimmer. Look at that. Nice faceted. Pretty. Sorry if you can hear my neighbors talking. I have my windows open. It's a pretty 70-degree day up here in Maryland. That. It's pretty. Okay. And what is the next? 15. 15 is a 4-piece 4-piece 14 by 10 mil natural tiger eye barrel beads, and these are gorgeous. Look at that. Like the shape. It's a different shape. Really like that. Very pretty and heavy. Okay, 16. 16 is a 20-piece 5.5 mil English cut crystal faceted round beads in evergreen AB. So look at that. These are gorgeous. Kind of a little bit more of a matte finish or pearlized or something. Well, maybe not matte. They're really pretty. You got some, definitely got some weight to it. These are gorgeous. English cut. I don't think I've heard that before. But they are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Very pretty. Whoops. Oh, just lost one. I'll get that later. And 17. 17 is a 7 by 5 inch strand of 6 mil natural chrysanthemum jasper round beads. Ta-da! Look at that. Very pretty. Staying with the harvest theme for the month of November 2021. If I could stay in frame, that would be great also. Very pretty. And they're very clean cut. I always like to, you know, check in the middle. Very clean cut, which is nice. Means, you know, it's more of a quality bead. 18 is a 56 mil handmade natural tiger eye and brass tree of life pendant. And here we go. Ready? I'm going to keep you in suspense. Ta-da! Look at that big hunk of gorgeousness. Wow. Is that gorgeous or what? I have never tried this wire wrapping. One day I'll give it a go. Don't know if I have the patience for it. You have your built-in bail there. Just put a chain on it and there you go. Look at that. That is just gorgeous right there. And it is, you know, has some weight to it. Let's get out the handy dandy ruler. So, go over here. There you go. It's about 2 inches long from the top of the barrel all the way down. There you go. So pretty. And actually it has some weight to it, but not a whole lot. Wow, that's really pretty. Very pretty. Look at the detail. I wonder who wrapped it. Just so pretty. Okay. And now I'm gonna leave this here so you have something to look at. 19 is a 20-piece snowflake beaded cap, as I said, and it's rose gold, and they're really pretty. So this is going to be super pretty. So there you go. There they are. And that's it. So thanks for watching November 2021 Bargain Bead Box review of mine. And if you like my content, if you like what I'm posting on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you get some notifications when I post my videos. And that is it.